Hey guys, it's Daniel. Today I'll be showing you how to prepare one of my favorite cocktails. Whether it's by the pool or trying to cure a hangover, the Michelada is the perfect beverage to enjoy year-round. Let's get started. You want to grab a glass and rim it with chamoy and tajin. Add a couple cubes of ice, a splash of tomato juice. After the tomato juice, you want to throw a couple dashes of Worcestershire sauce, however you pronounce it, and also a couple dashes of Maggi sauce. Additionally, sprinkle in some tajin for that spicy tang. Remember, if you're watching your sodium, you may want to add less. And now, add El Yucateco Hot Sauce. Next, the juice of half a lemon. Finally, top it off with your beer of choice. I love that sound. My mouth is watering. And for garnish, add chopped cucumber and a final dash of tajin. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it, the perfect Michelada. Salud!